It's Catherine McGinnis with Soaping 101. I'm pleased to partner with the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild to bring you a video today about making cold processed soap using only one oil, coconut oil, and replacing all the water with coconut milk. This creates a very hard bar with excellent lather, and the coconut milk adds a creamy, luxurious feel. This recipe uses 20% superfat to help balance cleansing and conditioning. I'll pop up a copy of the recipe on the screen for you. The coconut milk has been frozen ahead of time. Freezing helps prevent scorching the milk when the lye is added. We'll slowly sprinkle the sodium hydroxide over the frozen milk while gently stirring. The frozen milk will begin to melt gradually. This slow melting helps control the temperature and protects the final color of the soap. We'll add the lye in small amounts, stirring gently in between. Be patient as this takes some time. The 76-degree coconut oil has been pre-melted and has been allowed to cool to the same temperature range as the lye solution, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Matching temperatures helps create a smooth and stable emulsion. We'll carefully pour the cooled lye solution into the coconut oil. Using a stick blender, we'll mix it in short bursts, alternating blending and stirring. Coconut oil soap traces quickly, so watch carefully. We're looking for trace, or when the batter thickens slightly and leaves no oil slicks on the surface. Once trace is reached, we'll pour the soap batter into the mold. Because coconut milk contains sugar, this soap can heat up during saponification. To prevent overheating, you can place the mold into the refrigerator. Don't forget to tap the mold gently to release any trapped air bubbles. After 24 to 48 hours, the soap is ready to unmold and cut. You'll notice the bar is very firm. This is one of the benefits of using 100% coconut oil, and the texture should appear smooth and even. We'll allow the soap to cure in a cool, dry area. During this time, excess water evaporates and the soap becomes harder. You'll know when the cure is complete when the soap weight doesn't change in between weeks. The finished result is a hard, long-lasting bar with rich lather and a smooth, creamy texture. Enjoy your soap making journey, and be sure to check out the HSCG Resource Center for more helpful videos and information.